Welcome to the Tricklebrook. This inviting home is an ideal, efficient getaway and one of Visbean Architects' favorites.
The Tricklebrook is an ideal example of how to take advantage of a lakefront lot that's narrow. The best part about the home really is the way it opens to the water and the living room opening up to the screened porch, which opens up to the patio, the fire pit, and then on down to the docks and the water. The fact that the Tricklebrook's entry is in the center of the home and the corridor leads you from front to lakefront is really an excellent use of space. The stair and the kitchen all take advantage of this transition space while giving you great views to the water. What you'll find in this home is really some updated elements. The beautiful kitchen, the oval island, the great light fixture, the beautiful oval window over the sink, just giving you some really charming features in this small home. But the fun thing about the home is, as small as it is in footprint, it lives so large. The kitchen opens to the stair, and the stair is charming. When you look at the transition of the space from first to second floor, there's a beautiful bookcase and open windows leading your eye up to the second floor. Another element of the home that I really love is the way the fireplace is a focal point in the living room, and it's also a focal point on the screened porch. The beauty of the porch is it opens to the living room with a door wall system, and then the phantom screens open up, allowing the porch to open to the patio below.
So in this design, our product works perfectly. Because the house is a bit more narrow than normal, obviously the homeowner wants to maximize the use of their outdoor living, and so they certainly have. The beauty of screening this porch is, of course, screens are there when you want them, and when you don't, with a push of a button, they retract up out of sight. They've been designed so that the screens are recessed into the ceiling so you don't see them at all when they're not in use. The other nice thing is that the actual track on the sides is also recessed into the columns, so you can't even notice them. Your columns remain pristine to the look and design that they're intended to be. The house just has everything a homeowner would want it to offer, especially with the ability of the sliding glass wall with the family room then opening up to the outdoor deck. Incorporating our products to create a screen room, you've got double your living area here that you would normally in a home with this small of a footprint.
What this home lacks in size, it makes up for in detail. When you look at the exterior of the home with the different dormer styles, the corbels, the brackets, you could see the attention to detail that was paid throughout the design.
What I love about the Tricklebrook is it's a understated yet elegant, smaller version of what Wayne Visbean is known for in his designs. Even in talking to the homeowner, you hear him talk about, it just makes me happy living here. And you can feel that in this house. The way the windows are designed with the light coming in and the center hallway gives a feel of symmetry to the home, and the way the decks cascade down to the lawn, to the water. There's just a sense of absolute pure joy here. And so this is the reasons we love to partner with Wayne Visbean, because his homes just make us happy.